Hey folks, and welcome to week number 16. So we're almost down to the end here. We've just got this and finals week next week. Okay? And basically that's really about finishing essay 4 up. This week, so watch the week 16 video. That's what you're doing right now. Watch Writing in the Real World. That's a little bit of video right down here. And it really focuses on not 5-paragraph essay structure, but structure in the way that we actually see writing in the real world. So I want you guys to watch that and think through how we might use this for essay 4, as well as last week you guys completed the revision activity for essay 1, 2, or 3. If you want to submit a revision of one of those essays, you may do so. That's by Monday, May 9th. Okay? Also, you can obviously think about the structure video in relation to that essay as well. And then, of course, write and submit your essay 4 draft by Thursday, May 12th. We're going to turn it in. We will do a little bit of work in our class session next Thursday, and then we will do peer review, revision, and submission of the final next week and during finals, and that's it. We're out the door after that. So, as always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.